Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are classify and use different kinds of adverbs learned earlier. Students, I hope you are familiar with the adverbs. Adverb is a part of speech which modifies a verb, an adjective or other adverb. It tells you that when, how, where and which manner the action is done. Look here, the page number 77 of your textbook. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies, describe. Modify means describe. A verb, he sings loudly. The example of adverb. Here the word sing is a verb and the loudly is adverb. The word loudly, the adverb is modifying the verb sings. An adjective, very tall. Another adverb, ended too quickly. अब क्या है, वेरी आपका क्या है, एडवर्ब है और टॉल आपका एडजेक्टिव है. एडजेक्टिव क्या है, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स भी हम इसे कहते हैं. इट डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन, द स्मेल, द साइज, द कलर, द टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग. वेरी इज योर एडवर्ब एंड टॉल इज एन एडजेक्टिव. एंड अनदर एडवर्ब. अब क्विकली आपका इधर क्या है, एडवर्ब है. लाइक ही इज टाइपिंग क्विकली और ही इज टॉकिंग क्विकली, वट एवर ही डज. क्विकली आपका क्या है, एडवर्ब है. इधर आपका जो टू है वो क्या है, अनदर एडवर्ब है, जिसको हम एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री भी कहते हैं. वी विल डिस्कस लेटर द टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेसन. सो हियर एंडेड इज एन एक्शन, टू इज एडवर्ब and quickly is another adverb. So here the adverb to is modifying the another adverb quickly. A sentence, clause or a phrase. Sentence और clause एक ही होता है जिसमें आपका subject, verb और object हो. Phrase क्या होता है? Phrase is a group of words which does not give you any full meaning or contains any full message, but it is a part of the sentence which is necessary. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. Fortunately क्या है आपका? This is adverb here. I had brought an umbrella. This is the full sentence here. Adverb often end in ly. Mostly आपका जो adverb है ly के साथ खत्म होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटिफुली, क्विकली, slowly, nicely. These are all adverb. You can see they are ending with the ly here. But some such as fast look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. लेकिन कुछ adverbs जो होते हैं क्या होते हैं, बिल्कुल adjective की तरह दिखते हैं या act करते हैं in a sentence. For example, Akram Khan did not run badly. Adverb badly modifies the verb run here. अब badly क्या है, ये adverb of manner है कि किस manner में अक्रम जो है भागा. Did not run badly. Run आपका क्या है, verb है. And badly is an adverb which is modifying the verb run here. Tahir is very tall. Adverb very modifies the adjective tall. अब tall क्या आपका adjective है और very आपका adverb है जो कि modify कर रहा है tall को. The race finished too quickly. Adverbs to modifies another adverb quickly. Quickly आपका एडवर्ब है और टू आपका एडवर्ब है. अब टू मॉडिफाई कर रहा है क्विकली को. फॉर्चुनेटली, लुबना रिकॉर्डेड ताहिर्स विन. एडवर्ब फॉर्चुनेटली मॉडिफाइज द सेंटेंस. पूरे सेंटेंस को क्या कर रहा है, मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. रिकॉर्ड आपका वर्ब होगा और फॉर्चुनेटली आपका एडवर्ब. The adverbs, an adverb describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb as I told you. It tells when, where, how and how often the action is done. Like when, after, before, early, now, since, soon, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Like I will see you soon. When he will see? The see is in action here. Soon. So soon is here adverb. Where? It's raining outside. Here the word is raining is a verb and outside is a adverb. It tells you where the action is done outside. How? It tells you in which manner the action is done. Like he's going happily. How he is going? Happily. In happily manner. Going is a verb. And happily is an adverb which is modifying the verb going here. And how often? It tells you how often the action is done. Always, daily, frequently, never, once, rarely, seldom, sometimes, usually. Like, I always take tea in my breakfast. Here, the take is a verb and always is an adverb. It tells you that he takes tea always in his breakfast. The always is an adverb which is modifying taking tea here. Usually, I usually go to the park. Here the word usually is adverb which is modifying the verb go here. So an adverb tells you when the action is done, where the action is happened, how the action is happened and how often the action is happened. Adverb phrases. An adverb phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a verb, an adjective or an adverb. As I told you earlier, phrase is a group of 2 or 3 words which is a part of a sentence, but it doesn't have a full meaning or convey full message to another person. Like an adverb phrase can come anywhere in the sentence, in the start or at the end. For example, good nutrition is important for the health. You can see this is the combination of 2 words here, for and health. Important how. It tells you how. Vitamins are provided in many foods. Prepositions use हुए हैं देखें for, in. Preposition tells you the relationship between 2 nouns and pronouns and also show you the direction of the nouns. In many foods. Where provided? In many foods. At breakfast we eat fruit and cereal. When? When they eat fruit and cereal? Yes, at breakfast. Here again the preposition. The Severino's shop for groceries at Whole Foods. For groceries at Whole Foods. The place and for what purpose and for why. Why and where. Many people supplement their diets with extra herbs. How? With extra herbs. You can see at, for and with is prepositions. Be careful in the sentence below. With extra herb is an adjective. Extra herb क्या है आपका? Yes, adjective है. And what is a clause? As I told you, clause contains a subject, verb and object. Simply. इसमें और हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और भी चीजें इसमें आ सकती हैं. टाइप्स क्या है आपका? यूज इन सेंटेंस. अब adverb of time है जैसे कि all stood up when the president came. When they stood up when the president came. Place, she studies where I study. Manner, in which manner? Try to finish it as she has shown you. Reason, why the action is done. You have to tell your reason too. Since you recommended him, I appointed they. Condition, we cannot get first division unless we burn midnight oil. Extent, किस डिग्री तक, किस एक्सटेंट तक कोई काम हुआ है. सो फॉर एज आई नो शी इज टोलर्ट. कंपैरिजन, शी इज एज प्रिटी एज शी इज वाइस. Effect, run fast so that you may not be late. Run fast so that you may not be late. And the contrast, he is miserly tall, he is rich. Purpose, she works hard so that she may get scholarship. तो ये आपके sentences हैं, clauses हैं, adverb जिसमें adverb of time, place, manner, reason, condition, extent, comparison, effect, contrast और purpose use हुआ है. This is your exercise of adverbs which we have discussed. Choose a correct option to fill in the blanks. My grandfather walked extremely slowly. The adverb extremely modifies a what? Now you have to choose the right option and you have to tell ये जो bold में word है extremely जो कि adverb है, ये किसको modify कर रहा है? वर्ब को, एडवर्ब को, नाउन को या एडजेक्टिव को. माई ग्रैंड फादर वॉक्स एक्सट्रीमली स्लोली. यस, स्लोली इज another adverb in this sentence. So it is modifying the adverb here. Extremely is an adverb and it is modifying another adverb slowly here. The second one, your roommate drives quite fast. Doesn't she? The adverb quite modifies a or an. वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब और नाउन. अब क्वाइट जो वर्ड है, जो बोल्ड वर्ड है, ये किसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है? एडजेक्टिव को, एडवर्ब को, नाउन को या वर्ब को? यस, ये मॉडिफाई कर रहा है फास्ट एडजेक्टिव को. इधर फास्ट क्या है आपका? एडजेक्टिव है और उसको मॉडिफाई एडवर्ब कर रहा है जो कि है क्वाइट. द थर्ड वन, वी रियरली गो टू द मूवीज ऑन द वीकेंड्स. The adverb rarely modifies और an किसको modify कर रहा है? पूरे sentence को, verb को, pronoun को और adverb को. ये modify कर रहा है verb go को. Go क्या है आपका? verb है और rarely जो कि adverb है modify कर रहा है go को, describe कर रहा है. The fourth one is our house is practically on the highway. The adverb practically modifies what? Sentence, phrase, verb or adjective. We have learned the concept of sentence and phrase. Our house is practically on the highway. तो ये practically क्या modify कर रहा है? Yes, the whole sentence. Because we have no the main verb here. It is only the auxiliary or the linking verb we call it. The is here. So the practically is describing the whole sentence here. So the sentence is the right option here. The fifth one, obviously I could be wrong. The adverb is obviously modifies what? A verb, pronoun, clause or adverb. अब obviously किसको modify कर रहा है? The pronoun I को. यहां पर भी हमारे पास कोई main verb नहीं है तो भी आपका auxiliary और linking verb है, लेकिन यहां पर I आपका क्या है? प्रोनाउन है and the adverb is obviously which is describing the pronoun I here. So the pronoun is the right option here. The rest of the sentences is your home task.